to add a Ring device on Ring application. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add a Ring device on your Ring application. For that, open your Ring application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. To this homepage of your Ring application, here you will find Set up a device option. Just ahead of it, you will find the plus icon. Click on this option and you will reach to this page. Here you will find variety of device options. Choose the one you want to add. Once you select one of them, it will direct you to a new page. Here you will have to scan the QR code of your Ring product. Here click on I'm ready to scan below. Below you will see the scanner. From here you will have to scan the QR code of your device. After scanning it, you will be able to set up or add a Ring device. So in this way you can add a Ring device on your Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.